Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming requirements: your Roblox account, Shindo Life access, and a backup of your avatar Face ID. Open the game or Roblox Studio and enable the developer console with F9. Once done, record the current face asset number so you can revert if needed. Next, locate the in-game menu for avatar customization or the console commands area. This ensures you have control points and a safety restore option before making permanent change. You now perform the removal. Open the avatar editor or console and clear the face asset field. Enter the specific remove command or replace the asset number with 0. If the face is applied through a UI kit or bundle, go to Skins or Appearance, select Face, and choose None or Remove. Once you apply, make sure to respawn or rejoin the game region to force the client to unload the old face asset. This step makes the change visible and prevents cached textures from persisting. You wrap up by verifying the change. Check your avatar in third person and ask another player to confirm you no longer have the face. If the face persists, clear Roblox cache or reinstall the client, then reapply the removal and respawn. Cache often keeps old assets. Make sure to keep your backup face ID so you can restore the original if something goes wrong. If problems continue, check for server-side bindings or game updates that might reassign faces automatically and repeat the removal process.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.